If the cutting head shows a low body capacitance alarm or a zero body capacitance alarm, please follow these inspection steps. Remove the nozzle. Check if the nozzle is damaged. Look for any impact marks. Remove the ceramic ring. Check if the ceramic ring is cracked. Make sure there is no foreign material inside. Remove the ceramic ring. Check if the sealing ring is missing or damaged. Check if the pin can spring back normally. Also check for any corrosion. Remove the sensor head. Seal the opening with masking tape. Check if there is any water or oil contamination inside the sensor. Check if the collar is missing or damaged. Finally, inspect the pin again. Make sure there is no corrosion and that it returns normally.